climate campaigners who emitted 30,000 tons of CO2 traveling by air to a global warming conference have come under fire from a NASA colleague. The expert decided not to attend the meeting due to the effect flying has on the planet and is calling on fellow scientists to think more about their carbon footprint. It was established in 1919 by the National Research Council, operated as an unincorporated affiliate of the National Academy of Sciences until it was independently incorporated in 1972. Research conducted by members encompasses everything from astronomy and deep Earth geology to understanding the planet's atmosphere and the causes of climate change. In 2010, the climate expert worked out his own climate emissions from the 50,000 air miles he had traveled in the previous 12 months, 3/4 of which was to scientific meetings. As a result, he decided to gradually reduce his own flying over the next 2 years before stopping air travel entirely in 2012. Writing in The Guardian, he said, "In becoming scientists, we didn't sign up to burn less fossil fuel or to be activists. But in the case of Earth science, we have front row seats to an unfolding catastrophe." Because of this, the public takes our temperature. If the experts don't seem worried, how bad can it be? Burning fossil fuel causes real harm and will become socially unacceptable sooner or later. Those of us who know the seriousness of global warming must do everything we can to stop it, and like it or not, AGU's scientists play a key role. The American Geophysical Union, AGU, is an international non-profit scientific association with 60,000 members in 137 countries. But a mail-in investigation revealed the extent to which the stars who appeared in it have contributed to the catastrophic weather phenomena with their jet-setting lifestyles. Justin Bieber is calculated to have traveled at least 136,000 miles in a plane over the last year. Environmentalist DiCaprio is believed to have done more than 87,000 miles, while fellow actor Clooney did 61,000 miles. A Mail Online investigation revealed the extent to which celebrities' jet-setting lifestyles is contributing to catastrophic weather phenomena like Hurricanes Harvey and Irma. Justin Bieber was the biggest culprit, taking 45 flights in the space of 52 weeks. Bieber was the biggest culprit, having flown on approximately 45 flights in the previous 52 weeks. His longest flight was from Australia to the UK at the beginning of July, having been down under on his Purpose World Tour. The 10,638-mile flight burned through a massive 1.8 tons of carbon dioxide alone in a year. That stacked up against him in terms of his carbon footprint. Trips to Germany, Dublin, Paris, Cape Town, Mumbai, Rio de Janeiro, and to his homeland Canada meant he clocked up a staggering 136,947 air miles, burning through 22.45 tons of CO2 since September 2016. Staunch environmentalist Leonardo DiCaprio has been jetting across the globe around twice a month in the past year. Staunch environmentalist Leonardo DiCaprio has been jetting across the globe around twice a month in the past year. The 42-year-old actor flew around 87,609 miles, burning up 14.8 tons of carbon dioxide. The 42-year-old actor flew around 87,609 miles on various business trips and jaunts around the world, which burned up 14.8 tons of carbon dioxide. His longest trip was his return journey from California to the south of France, where he enjoyed the iconic Cannes Film Festival. George Clooney spent around 61,448 in the air since September last year, which included a long trip to Italy this summer. He is thought to have flown 4,265 miles from Toronto to Los Angeles to attend the Hand in Hand, a benefit for Hurricane Harvey relief telethon at a cost of 720 kilograms of CO2. George Clooney spent around 61,448 in the air since September last year, which included a long trip to Italy this summer. At 71, Cher has been a relative homebird, only appearing to fly within the U.S. in a total of 6,546 miles. His total airtime meant his carbon emissions from flying alone was 10.31 tons of CO2. Meanwhile, despite being pregnant with twins, Bain still managed to clock up 28,040 miles in 12 months, burning through 4.55 tons of CO2. And at 71, Cher has been a relative homebird compared to the rest of her celebrity compatriots, only appearing to fly within the U.S. in a total of 6,546 miles. The total emissions only takes into account the flights the celebrities have taken, and is likely to be astronomical when driving, pollution from their concerts or films, and the electric in their homes are considered. The AGU is dedicated to the furtherance of the Earth and space sciences, and to communicating science's ability to benefit humanity. Research conducted by members encompasses everything from astronomy and deep Earth geology to understanding the planet's atmosphere and the causes of climate change. The AGU's fall meeting is the largest Earth and space science meeting in the world.